This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Move-in ready. This home is almost brand new. Built in 2019, this gorgeous home features an open floor plan with luxury light flooring, recessed lighting, and a cozy fireplace. Chef's kitchen features granite countertops, soft close cabinets, and energy-efficient appliances. Huge fenced backyard is perfect for entertaining or kids' play area. The master has tray ceilings, lots of natural light, and a master bath with dual sinks. This home is minutes away from the all-new Waterside District, the main in downtown Norfolk, and the MacArthur Center. Within 30 minutes from the beach. For more information, review the details below.